Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about a new project called as Sphere Finance, which could give you an API of 99,000%. Yes, 99,000% seems unbelievable, but it's true. So let's get started with the video. The project which we are going to talk about is called as Sphere Finance. So this is S&P 500 of crypto. As you know, S&P 500 is listed on Nasdaq, so which includes top 500 companies based on their portfolios. In end of the video, I will show you how much money I have invested and what profit I have achieved until now. So Sphere Finance is basically powered by a blockchain called as Polygon, and it is verified by Obsidian highest KYC, and it is also audited by Certic and audited by Solidity Finance, which means it is a promising project and it has already been audited and it's gonna run for long. So let's verify their KYC first. So I've already opened Obsidian website on my next tab and I've searched by Sphere Finance. So you can see like it is already verified by them. And if you click on their Discord page, so you should be able to move to their Discord page. You can join their Discord and ask any questions which you need, or if you have any queries or anything. So that's Fair Finance Discord page, which you can join and ask any questions you want. Remember, you have to verify yourself before joining this Discord page. So if we look into Certex score, so it's currently rated at 85, which means the website is on a good value. It's free from scams and hacking and other stuff. If you scroll their website a bit down, so it says like click here to buy on your preferred chain. The good thing about this Polygon chain or this particular project is you can connect any chain of your choice and you can buy their coins. So let's say you can connect Polygon chain, Ethereum, Binance, Phantom, Arbitrum, Avalanche, and Harmony. I'll show you a step-by-step tutorial how we can buy their tokens. If we scroll down a bit more, so currently the amount invested is 20.25 million. This price keeps on growing every day because lots of people are showing interest in this project, and APY says 99,900%, which is quite high in terms of any project. And if we try to see their roadmap a bit, it seems quite promising. So in quarter one of 2022, so they have done liquidity bootstrapping, then Sphere Games, Operation Bribe, and a lot of other things are coming up. So seems quite promising. This project reminds me of Polka City because when that project was initially launched, there were fears that the team will escape. But again, if you put your money in some project, if you are investing money in the project, then only you will know what kind of team they are having, what is their response, and how they are going to deal in the future. Looking into their roadmap, this project seems very promising. So let's look into their documentation a bit. So in the documentation, it says Sphere is poised to power a revolution of DeFi with an auto staking mechanism, a new financial protocol that makes staking as easy as a transaction. Now, the good thing about this project is, let's say I have invested $200, the profit which I'm making on daily basis, that is my profit, and it will be automatically reinvested. So that compounding portion is also getting reinvested without charging any transaction, and that is why they have fixed API of 99,900%. And on your average investment, the daily ROI will be 1.9%. So let's say if you are investing maybe let's say $100, so every day you will be making around $2. So let's look into their background. Sphere Finance is an innovative protocol that brings benefit of value to Sphere token through governance token acquisition, slowly turning Sphere holders into proxy governance holders of various protocols as we aim to black hole governance tokens in our treasury. Sphere transforms into self-sufficient protocol which rewards for its investors. Here are some advantages: simplicity, power, harmony, effort, robustness, emissions. So how do I join Sphere? After our pre-sale, it's very simple. All you have to do is buy our token on the open market via Bogged or QuickSwap. Bogged allows you to buy a token with auto tax, and therefore you don't need to adjust the slippage. If you are living in US or Australia, you might be aware of the tax stuff. So this company has also implemented a tax system. So the investing treasury captures 3% of all buys and 5% of all sales. These funds are basically used for, so they are using those funds for development purposes or future growth. So if we look into their team, so they have said like our team is partially anonymous with half doxed entities partaking in the core team. Our core members are known from other protocols they have participated in. Our team has participated KYC programs, and here is the proof. If I click on the proof, so it opens this particular tab on Twitter. So this guy Jesse Heckel, so he's saying like has officially completed our verification process and Obsidian holders their KYC information on file. So this means one of the guy is already in their team and he seems to be a crypto investor from $1 to let's say a million, and he has 10.6 followers, which seems quite promising. Let's go back to their main website again. So launch details, they have already launched. So how you can buy Sphere. So this is a chart. Buy Matic from buy Matic coin from an exchange, send Matic to MetaMask, swap to Sphere and enjoy. Let's look into a bit of the tax part. So what happens is you are taxed every time you buy, sell or transfer your Sphere tokens. The stock taxes are as follows. So for the first time when you are buying Sphere token, you will be charged 13% of the tax, 20 to 25% sell tax. We have added option increasing the sell tax to 25%, which will be increased or decreased back to 20% if community wants it. The good thing about this project is it's not a dummy project. Many projects like meme coins or any sort of them, when they are launched, so the big investors can easily pull out the money and the coin will go from let's say $100 to cent. But they have a secret mechanism. So when a mega investor whose liquidity is maybe let's say 1 million or 2 million, when they will pull out the money, all of a sudden they will be charged 25% of a tax. So I think nobody is stupid enough to lose maybe 25,000 or maybe. So I think nobody is stupid enough to lose maybe 250k and just pay tax for nothing, and he had made like maybe zero fortune. And if you click on the contracts, so that's their contract address for Sphere or Matic. And looking into the roadmap again, they have already added details for quarter 1 of 2022, quarter 2 and quarter 3. So let's see the quarter 1 part. So it says like it's in developer mode. Unique pre-sale on website, it's done. Pre-sale 2 is done. Listing, audit at Certec is done. YouTube marketing campaign, AMA with various communities. I watched a couple of their videos. I'll ask their permission if I can show you guys their AMAs if they allow me. Then Sphere Games, which is already under process. Now let's look into quarter 2. So in quarter 2, they are building a dashboard which will be 2.0, marketing campaign, something called as black hole, gravity bridge, quantum liquidity, and tons of their stuff is coming up. Now quarter 3 of 2022 is very interesting. So they are going to launch some NFTs with utility that will automatically boost their coin very much. So let's try to see their graph. Okay, so let's check their graph on CoinCap market. So if you want to get their contract address on Polygon, so it's very simple. You can open CoinCap market, try to search Sphere Finance, the symbol is Sphere, and you will be able to get their address from here. So currently, as I said, it's just on Polygon. So as I said, currently they are only dealing on Polygon blockchain. So you need to have your wallet set up with Polygon blockchain to swap their tokens. Let's look into their graph a bit. So if I look into graph from last 7 days, see there is a constant ramp and it keeps on growing. Let's see 3 months. So the project has maybe jumped from 0.006 cent to 0.09, and I think if I look into just 1 day chart, you can still see like it's ramping up and seems very promising because from couple of cents it has reached to zero point 0.1, and as per my prediction, if things go as it is, this project will easily touch $1. Now I will show you how I bought tokens for this particular project and what profit I have made as of now. So if I click on enter dashboard, so I need to connect my wallet, which will be on, let's say, Polygon Change. So it will ask me to enter my details. So once that part is completed, so you should see your wallet connected here. So I'll show you my portfolio. So this will take a bit of time to load everything, and yeah. So I've invested around $50 when I bought this particular project. So now it has turned to 179.31, which is around, I think, maybe, yeah, 200% growth. On an average, if I see I'm making around 1.91% from the same amount, but it won't be the original investment, it will be the amount which is compounded every day. So the amount which is getting compounded every day, it's done on free basis. You don't have to pay any gas fees. If I go back to calculator, and if I like say as per my amount which I've invested as of now, so if I put like maybe let's say 2 months, so you can see I will have a potential return of $558. But if I go back to 400, sorry, if I go back to 4 months, I can easily get a return of 1737% just on my $50 investment. So this seems quite promising. I'm gonna hold my money in this project for a long as I make like let's say maybe $1,000 or $1,200. So stay tuned for interesting updates on crypto, stocks, and forex trading. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.